An easy and quick way to learn how to correctly calculate trigonometric ratio values on a scientific calculator. By the end of the video, you'll see a couple of common mistakes to avoid. Are you ready? Configure the angle measurement unit. Support this channel by becoming a member. What are the biggest mistakes to watch out for, but might accidentally commit, when calculating trig ratios on these scientific calculators? Failing to set the correct angular unit, a mistake you won't make after this video. Evaluate trigonometric terms with exponents. Calculate trigonometric ratios of composite arguments.